guys, so I actually managed to get my hands on some Chinckni powder. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to react to it, but I thought it would be fun to, play around with a bit and see how it goes. And wow, that's a lot. Sorry, I just poured out way more than I was expecting. It's amazing. I know everyone talks about the smell, but it actually is incredible. Sort of like powdered Vicks, I guess. Okay, here we go. Ooh. See, it's nice. It's. I suppose if you've ever done pepper, and oh my goodness, these are really, really strong. Oh, ow. That one actually managed to hurt my shoulder, wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ugh. That's actually quite incredible. It's still tickling. I can see why everyone likes it. Nope, I still think there's more. Oh my goodness. Wow. How on earth do you people talk through these? Because this is really... really difficult, really distracting. Ugh. Oh, nope, there's still more. Okay. I wonder if that helped. Sometimes stifling can help me stop them, but nope. Okay. Pinching my nose. Which I don't think is going to work for too long. Yeah, no, I had to let go. That was just really uncomfortable. I can tell there's another one there. I can feel it all down the sides of my sinuses. This is amazing. I've never had something build quite as slowly as this. Because I suppose for me, I just sort of... my chest gets tight, and that's how I know that I'm going to sneeze, and then I can sort of feel it building up. Oh, come on. Need a light or something. Come on. It's really hard to tell too. Okay, I think that's just about done. I'm going to try blowing my nose. I honestly have no idea. No, I think I've got another in there. But honestly, how do you talk through these? Because it's just the most intense burning that I've ever felt. Ever. I need to sneeze so much. Is there more? Is there not? The really interesting thing is that I don't feel all that congested from this at all. Which is quite nice, actually. I think there's another in there. But at least they've slowed, right? Oh, come on. Maybe. I feel like there should be more. Yep. Come on. Oh, come on. Just get out, you bugger. Yeah, still fighting the asthma. Although I'm not really wheezing, just coughing now, which is nice. Come on. Okay. I think I'm done with that. But I'm definitely gonna have to try that again, because that was intense. So like always, send your messages, concerns, anything else, because I honestly love talking to you guys. Sorry, I'm gonna have to sneeze again. There we go. And thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed it.